Fun to get to see those guys. Me and Jack Sawyer were roommates my freshman year with a couple other guys, so it's gonna be cool to get to see those guys for sure. Yeah, I felt him. I started drifting away. Thought I was gonna be able to get the ball off before he got there. Obviously, I tried to give them the game, but I saw Jack running with the ball down the sideline, and it sucks, man. But he's a great player, great individual, great person. Like you said, we were roommates when I was up at Ohio State, so it sucks. Player, and he made great tough. I think Coach Stark hit it. It's the life of a competitor, and it sucks being on this side of things. Sure, I mean, back-to-back years, pretty much the game decided in one play. It's hard. It's hard. All the work that we put in. Being in the Final Four back-to-back years and coming up short 2 years, it's tough. But, I think that's how life is. You're gonna get punched in the face in some hard moments.
我也唱这个不要唱，我也唱这个不要唱。